If you don't want, you cannot use butter, but it's okay. You have to mix it like this until it's finished. So now here comes the fried rice, the Nigerian fried rice. So you keep mixing till you're done with all of them. Yeah, this is the fried rice, Nigerian mixed fried rice. The chicken, we fried it, if you can see very well. But if you still want to put liver in the fried rice, you can still put liver. But we didn't put, if you can see here, we didn't put the liver. But if you like to put, you can still put liver. So this is it. We'll see you next time. Thank you for watching. Alright.